Hey everyone, my name is Aiswariya Suresh. I'm a sophomore and I'm also the treasurer of the Stony Brook Robotics Team. The Stony Brook Robotics Team is comprised of dedicated students who build robots that we use to compete in competitions. We have three main technical groups: mechanical, electrical, and software. So it's really easy to find what you like and also learn skills that you can apply during your time here at SBU and eventually in your careers. We also host many workshops and have many opportunities for our members to delve into the world of robotics even more and also bond more as a team. We really depend and thrive on collaboration and teamwork. Fortunately, there aren't any requirements needed to join SBRT. All majors are welcome and no experience is necessary. So, if you're interested, check out our SB Engaged page, our Facebook page, Stony Brook Robotics Team. Follow us on Instagram at SB Robotics Team, or head on over to our website, sbroboticsteam.com. Hope to see you soon!